Hello, friends! Welcome to Fun English Friends. Stop scrolling. Let's practice English together in a fun and easy way. If you want to speak English with confidence, you're in the right place. Too nervous to order food in English? Don't worry, this happens in real life. Today is Saturday lunchtime, and Tom is about to order his food at Subway. But he's not confident in English. Let's watch what happens. In this video, you'll practice real-life English conversation, improve your listening and speaking, and learn useful vocabulary and phrases you can use every day. Don't miss the questions. You can find the answers in the video, so make sure to watch until the end. Ready? Let's start.
It's Saturday afternoon, around 1 p.m. The weather is warm and the streets are a little busy. People are out shopping and relaxing. Emma and Tom are walking slowly after their morning class. Emma stretches her arms.
Finally, it's Saturday.
Yeah, no more classes after this.
Emma nods.
I really need a break.
Same, and I'm really hungry.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I woke up late again.
Of course you did.
Emma points across the road.
Hey, there's a Subway. Want to grab lunch there?
Yeah, sounds good.
He pauses for a second.
But, can you order first?
You're still nervous?
A little bit, yeah.
That's okay. Just listen first, then you try.
Tom takes a deep breath.
All right, I'll try.
They walk in. The place is a bit crowded. People are talking, ordering, and waiting for their food. Tom looks around.
Wow, it's busy.
Yeah, it's lunchtime.
And it smells really good.
Now you're more hungry, right?
Definitely.
A staff member looks at them and smiles. Hi, welcome.
Hi.
They move closer to the counter. Tom looks up at the big menu.
There are too many choices.
Emma leans closer.
Don't think too much. Just pick something simple.
Tom nods slowly.
Okay, maybe chicken again.
Good choice for lunch.
What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a chicken sandwich?
Sure. What kind of bread?
Italian bread is fine.
Okay, what size?
6-inch, please.
6-inch?
Toasted?
Yes, please.
Emma turns slightly to Tom.
See? Just short sentences.
Tom nods.
Yeah, it sounds easy when you do it.
And for you? Tom freezes for a moment.
Yeah. I think I'll have,
He looks at the menu again.
Sorry, just a second.
No problem, take your time.
Just say, I'll have a chicken sandwich.
Okay, I'll have a chicken sandwich too.
Sure, what bread would you like?
Same as that. Italian.
Got it. And what size?
6-inch.
Toasted?
Yeah, toasted.
Emma gives a small thumbs up. Tom smiles, a little more relaxed now. What would you like on your sandwich?
Lettuce, tomato, and cheese.
Any onions?
No thanks.
Sauce?
Just mayo.
And for you? Tom looks carefully at the vegetables.
Lettuce and cucumber. Do you have chili sauce?
Yes, we do.
Okay, a little chili sauce.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Would you like any drinks with that? Oh yeah, I forgot. Do you want something to drink?
Yeah, I'm kind of thirsty.
Can I get a Coke, please?
Sure. Medium or large?
Medium is fine.
And for you?
Tom pauses for a second.
What do you have?
Staff points to the drink machine.
We have Coke, Sprite, Fanta, iced tea, or bottled water.
I'll have iced tea.
Okay. Medium as well?
Yeah, medium.
All right.
That'll be $10. Emma takes out her wallet.
I'll pay.
Tom quickly stops her.
Wait, no. Let me pay this time.
Emma raises her eyebrows.
Really?
Yeah, you helped me order lunch.
Okay, deal.
Here you go.
Staff hands them cups.
You can get your drinks over there.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
They walk to the drink machine.
Oh, we get it ourselves?
Yeah, just press the button. Tom carefully presses iced tea. The drink fills the cup.
Wow, that's easy.
Yeah, and you can add ice too.
Nice.
Good choice. Iced tea is nice.
Yeah, I don't want something too sweet.
Then you shouldn't choose Coke like me.
Too late now.
They find a seat near the window. Sunlight comes in softly. Tom opens his sandwich.
All right, lunchtime.
He takes a bite.
Wow, this is really good.
Emma smiles.
I told you.
And the chili sauce is nice.
Good choice.
This is refreshing.
Perfect for a hot Saturday.
Yeah, this feels like a real weekend.
Tom leans back in his chair.
You know, I feel better now.
About what?
Speaking English.
Yeah? Why?
Because I didn't stop. I just tried.
That's the most important thing.
Next Saturday, I'll order by myself.
Okay, I'll just watch.
Hey, don't watch too closely.
They both laugh and continue enjoying their lunch.
Now, you will learn some new vocabulary and useful phrases for daily life. These words are very common and useful. You can use them when you speak English every day. Let's get started.
Grab, meaning to get something quickly, informal. Example, let's grab lunch at Subway. Crowded, meaning full of people. Example, the restaurant is crowded on Saturday. Take your time, meaning don't hurry. Example, you can take your time to choose your food. Definitely, meaning for sure. Yes. Example, I will definitely try again. Order, verb, meaning to ask for food. Example, I want to order a sandwich. Freeze, meaning to suddenly stop because you feel nervous or scared. Example, Tom freezes when the staff asks him a question. Refreshing, meaning something that makes you feel cool, fresh, and good. Example, this iced tea is very refreshing.
Nice work! Practice these conversations again to improve your English. Before you go, I have a question for you. What bread do they choose? Write your answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English practice. See you in the next English lesson. Bye-bye.